Claiming someone else's unclaimed property can be a complex process, but it is possible under certain circumstances. To start, it is essential to understand what unclaimed property is. Unclaimed property refers to assets that have been abandoned or forgotten by their rightful owners, such as bank accounts, stocks, or inheritances. The first step in claiming someone else's unclaimed property is to determine if you have a legitimate claim to the property. This typically involves being a family member or heir of the original owner, or having a legal right to the property through a will or trust. You will need to provide documentation to support your claim, such as birth or marriage certificates, wills, or court documents. Next, you need to locate the unclaimed property. This can be done by searching online databases, such as the National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators website, or by contacting the state's Unclaimed Property Office. You can also search for property that has been reported to the state as unclaimed, such as abandoned bank accounts or safe deposit boxes. Once you have located the property, you will need to file a claim with the state or the company holding the property. This typically involves filling out a claim form and providing the required documentation to support your claim. The claim form will ask for information about the property, the original owner, and your relationship to the owner. It is crucial to note that claiming someone else's unclaimed property can be a lengthy process, and it may take several months or even years to resolve. It is also important to be aware that there may be fees associated with claiming the property, such as heir finder fees or attorney fees. To increase your chances of successfully claiming someone else's unclaimed property, it is recommended that you work with a reputable heir finder or attorney who specializes in unclaimed property. They can help guide you through the process and ensure that you comply with all the necessary requirements. In addition, it is essential to be cautious of scams and fraudulent activities related to unclaimed property. Never pay a fee to someone who claims to be able to help you find or claim unclaimed property. And always verify the legitimacy of any company or individual before providing personal or financial information. In conclusion, claiming someone else's unclaimed property requires patience, persistence, and the right documentation. By following the steps outlined in this guide and seeking professional help when needed, you may be able to successfully claim the property and reunite it with its rightful owner.